I have installed this brand new AGAG gas valve assembly, burner assembly that comes with complete everything. Customer's complaint was that the unit still does not maintain its temperature. Before the original one, oven was working perfectly fine, there was nothing wrong with it. And now the customer is getting the feeling that the unit is not working perfectly the way it's supposed to. And also they have a difference of 25 to 50 degrees difference. The oven is running in high temperature right now, and it's about 400. What was the temperature when you checked it last time on the high heat? Was it 475?
It wasn't 450, it was about 425.
Okay, so on high heat.
Slightly warmer than the 350.
Okay, these thermometers are not very accurate, but still, you should get your oven temperature working perfectly. And if it's working perfectly, you see this tiny line here runs from here all the way to those two black lines. It has to be reaching there when it's on high temperature, on high heat. It's on high heat, it's also not reaching there with the new burner. And I called tech support. They told me this is the second time after a couple of weeks I call technical support. They say that the new burner is not gonna work like before, so there will be 50 degrees difference on the new burner, and that's completely normal and acceptable. I also mentioned the reading from the TH range, which was 130 to 380 CICS. On this new one it says 100 to 340. I had a feeling that I received the wrong burner, but I kept talking to AGA technical support several times, and they told me exact same thing. No, this is a new design, it's a new burner assembly. It's completely for this unit. So they ignored the TH range too. When I asked questions, everything seems okay at this moment, but customers not very happy the way the temperature is right now. If it's 25 degrees or 50 degrees, 25 degrees is acceptable, 50 degrees is not acceptable, which AGA says that it's completely fine and normal. I can see a little bit of difference here. I installed this gas burner valve assembly about 2-3 weeks ago. I can see a little bit of discoloration here. You see this on the capillary too, where it goes from here to the right hand side oven, and it's located there, so it can communicate with the temperature. It communicates with the gas valve assembly. Other than that, everything seems okay. The reason I'm making this video is just to let you guys know that if you ever replace the gas burner assembly on these units, the DVG model, make sure to mention this to your customer, that your oven is not gonna work the way it's supposed to, or it's not gonna work like before. And another note is that the top right here, it's where it says numbers. On the old gas valve, we did not have these numbers. It had a green line, and then you had to kind of increase and decrease the green line, the thickness, and then that's how you had to control the temperature. And again, on the new burner assembly, you can see the gas flow through that window. The gas burner assembly is at the back of this square box, and there's a glass, you could see it through there. So I also got a little bit of a yellow flame there, and I asked technical support. They said that's completely normal too. So thank you.